If you're using automation tool and you have automated entire end-to-end test cases, but you're struggling to automate your defect reporting process, which is time consuming as well as killing you to build end-to-end script for defect reporting, and you're not finding the solutions, then you are at the right place. Hi everyone, myself Deepak Rai, and today in this video I'm going to show you how quickly you can refute a defect without writing a single line of code. We have to just do few clicks. Within these few clicks, your defects will be reported successfully in Jira. Consider a scenario where your automation is failing or your test automation is failing, where you need something to be reported in any defect reporting tool like Jira. Then either you have to or report defect manually or automate this entire process. Automating is again going to take out time if you're using Selenium or any other automations tool. But here I will show you magic. By using this, you can report defect quickly without any steps. We have to just do few clicks or your defect will be reported. Or let me give you idea about Jira. Jira is a defect reporting tool or test case management tool or project management tool. This is widely accepted globally and companies are using this either for service management, defect reporting, project management, or for many other purposes. Coming back to the main topic, for what we are here. When you are at inside testRigor portal and you found your test automation is failing because of some functional issues or because of some data issues, these defects you have to report it quickly. How you can achieve it, I will show you. Now, question for you is which automation tool you're using for reporting defect? Feel free to add in comment sections. I would like to see from you how you're reporting your defect or which tools you're using it. Are you finding that easy or it's difficult? Feel free to add in comments. If you're visiting this channel first time, feel free to hit subscribe and bell icon. It always gives me a motivations to create more content like that. And whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. You have to navigate it to the errors. For reporting the defects, you have to navigate it to errors, where if you have already reported the defects, you can see issue in Jira. Whenever you will click this, issues will be open in front of you, but that was already existing issues which is reported. I will show you how you can do it for your requirement. For this, here we have to navigate it to your projects or automation project and click on errors. From here, you'll see multiple options. Link Jira, create an issue in Jira. These options are available. You need two things. One, permissions to add inside your Jira instance as well as credentials if you have any. Click on create an issue in Jira. It will navigate to the interface where you have to select your instance, which site or with which site you want to integrate. I will select my instance where I wanted to create the defects. Click on accept. It will admit testRigor inside your Jira instance so that whenever error occurs, you will see the options to report defect. Further, it will give you an options in which project you wanted to report the defects. You can select any projects which you want. Issue types, bug, I wanted to report in bug. Now summary, whichever summary you want, you can add it. But testRigor itself will give you an options to add these summaries, or by default it will give you an summary added. Along with that, it also give you and steps why the issues was failing, what was the steps which we have performed, and resulted in error. Error message is also highlighted here. Along with that, it will also give the environment related details which is required for the defect for the analysis. And trust me, these data is provided by the AI itself. I did not did any add up. It will be automatically defined or provided by the test trigger, where user has to not to add anything. It was by default provided, but they have a control. They can edit it or they can update any of those informations, whichever informations they wanted to update. We can add label as test trigger and priority. You can see these are the priority available. Once I will click on create, it will quickly add the defects and you'll see notifications. It does not even took 5 seconds as well. Defects is reported successfully, and how you can see it, navigate to the projects where this defect got added. We'll go to the backlog and from here you'll see same summary of that defects, which we can even see it on full screen. Let me show you. Exactly same thing or same summary which we have seen on the screen while reporting the defect is available. It also provided the download path, applications, the test path, as well as detailed steps, what it did and what was the error. Environment also tagged. Then we have all the fields which we have highlighted like priority. Then the other details are majorly a part of Jira applications, which is not inside the test trigger. But any point of time, if we want anything, we can add it here. And whenever the defect is created, you will see this defect is tagged as well, where you can see issue in Jira, and whenever you'll click it, navigate it to the screen where your defect is reported. So any point of time your tester or any of the business team wanted to see the status of defect, they don't have to log in Jira. We have to just click on issue in Jira. It will navigate the path where they can see the defects quickly. At any point of time you wanted to add known issues or active, you can even tag it here. It's a very quick and easiest way where you can report the defect. Another question for you, have you seen this type of magic earlier? If not, feel free to add yes or no in the comment. I would like to see the feedback or comments from the viewer. And that's it. Within 2 minutes, we have integrated Jira with test triggers and reported defect quickly, which is the easiest way to do it. Along with that, Jira also have add-on where we can add test trigger add-on within the Jira instance and do the automations for any of the projects. If you want me to create those video, feel free to add in the comment sections. We'll be happy to create video related to that. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And we'd love to see your comments, feedback and suggestions related to these topics. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.